Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to go through everything that you need to know about designing a newsletter in Beehiiv. Let's dive in. Okay, so what we're going to go ahead and do here is from your dashboard on the left hand side, you'll see the Start Writing tab. Go ahead, click on that, open this up, and here there are a few different options that we can start with. So, of course, we have a blank draft. And this will allow you to create everything from scratch, okay? So creating from scratch is fantastic. And if you really have an idea in mind, it's better to start from scratch because you can build your newsletter the way you want your newsletter to be built. However, if you are looking for something that you can just touch up, then really the templates are fantastic and they really are styled fantastically. Now, you can choose from any one of these. I've already opened this one. And simply, all you need to do is click on it. It will literally open up. And from here, you can actually customize everything that you need to customize. Okay, so on the top right-hand side, you will see it says Write and Style. So if you're in the Write tab, here you can actually reorder. You can drag and drop. You can go ahead and edit every single element, including the image, a caption, the text, this block over here. Every single thing that you see here, you can literally go and customize completely. Okay. Now, one of the nice things is when you customize this, you can actually create this as a template for yourself. So let's just say you're putting in all of your basic ideas and information, and some of the content will change thereafter. So what you can do is create this with all of your basic details. So your thumbnail, content tags, your heading, and your footer, maybe some other stuff that you'd like to just include on every one of your newsletters. Now, once you're done, you can actually just save this as a template. And once you've saved it as a template, that you can reuse this over and over. So you can actually create your own template. That's quite clever. So once you are done with the writing, you can go to Style over here on the left, on the right-hand side. And here, you've got from colors to typography, spacing, and borders in the Basic tab. Now, if you open everything up, you'll see all of this can be changed. Okay? Again, the typography, everything can be changed. The spacing, all of the spacing can be changed. Your borders, everything can be changed. If you're going over to advanced, you can see here, you've got your background. You can change your background color, margin, padding, and radius, border. You can change all of the details here. The email header, you can format that. As you go down here, we've also got the body. You can change how the body is presented. And then you have some added widgets here. Images, buttons, breaks, lists, quotes. This is all add-ons that you can add into this template. And if you go down here, you've got the email footer, which you can add in as well right over here at the bottom and customize all of these details. Now, once you're done, you're going to go and click on Next. You will define your audience. You will then set up your email preferences, and then you will see what it looks like on your web as a web view, and then you'll review all of your information. And once you're done, you can either schedule it or you can just go ahead and you can save it and you can send it to whatever contact list that's been set up here in Audience. I hope this was helpful.